Okay, hello guys. This is my Yamaha R1. Have all kind of damages. The front is broken. This side all kind of, basically loads of damage. And I decided to not paint them and not fix them. I bought plastics from China. Front nose looks alright, like quite decent. Like doesn't look out of scratches. Like example, one scratch here. You can see like a little bit some kind of scratch. Then you have some extra scratches. You can see basically, I'm not sure if you can see through camera, some plastics, those plastics as well, all side plastics, radiator plastics, the back plastic as well, side plastic have a little scratch somewhere, but in general it looks quite, I would say, it looks quite good. Then you have back plastic as well, this one, and up you have like those like ends like this, not painted enough, some extra bits, but in general I think it's quite, feels quite alright, you know. Some nice, doesn't feel like, you know, and plastic I do durable. Look, you can see in like, you know, it's quite, it's not that cheap. This one I bought, it's cover. Usually you got like two parts, you know. This will be just one part, like this. I think it took me around a month. I living in UK, so from China to UK about a month. Even they give me a sticker like this for gifts. All bits is like quite, you know, like quite nice actually. Comparing for cheap quality plastics, so looks not bad here. Looks not bad at all, I think. And even included this heating pad. Looks cool, yeah. And this is my old plastics. All looks like all kind of scrap, you know. Let's do click and you can see how it looks already fitted on. And no, not like this. Let's go. Let's do click and you will see how it looks. Click.